Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video review, we will take a look at the ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX 4090 and see what it has to offer. The ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX 4090 is the flagship graphics card from ASUS. It is one of the most powerful graphics cards on the market, and it is designed for gamers and creators who demand the best possible performance. The RTX 4090 is based on NVIDIA's new Ada Lovelace architecture, which offers significant performance improvements over the previous generation. The RTX 4090 also features new features such as DLSS 3 and Ray Tracing 3.0. The ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX 4090 is a large and heavy graphics card. It measures 286.5 by 148.3 by 24.5 millimeters and weighs 1.8 kilograms. The card has a triple slot design, so you will need to make sure that your case has enough space for it. The front of the card is dominated by a large heatsink with a ROG logo. The heatsink is cooled by 3 fans. The back of the card has a metal backplate with a cutout for the airflow. The ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX 4090 has a number of features that make it stand out from other RTX 4090 cards. These features include a factory overclocked GPU clock speed of 2670 mHz, boost mode, a custom heatsink with 3 fans and a large copper cold plate, a metal backplate with a cutout for the airflow, a 16-pin power connector, 2 native HDMI 2, 1 ports, and 3 native DisplayPort 1, 4 ports, ARGB lighting. The ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX 4090 is one of the most powerful graphics cards on the market. It can easily handle even the most demanding games at high resolutions and frame rates. If you are looking for the best possible graphics performance, then the ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX 4090 is the card for you. However, keep in mind that it is a very expensive card, and it is not necessary for everyone. The ROG Matrix Platinum GeForce RTX. Thanks for watching.